everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Neil, and in this video we're doing another requested drawing, this time from Joshua Morin. He would like me to draw
the Infinity Gauntlet.
So that's what we're gonna do. But before we get into that, just a friendly reminder as always, here on Truly Artrageous, I like to teach you guys how to draw cool stuff in a fun and easy way. And I post brand new videos to the channel here every Thursday. So be sure to come back on Thursdays for brand new videos. But if you wanna make it easier and more automatic, go right now down to the bottom, click that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, and YouTube will do all the rest. All right, let's get into our drawing of
the Infinity Gauntlet.
Okay, let's get started. So for this one, you're gonna need a piece of paper. You're going to need your drawing utensil. I'm using a black marker so it's easier for you guys to follow along, but if a pencil or a pen works better for you, just use that. And then when we get to our coloring step, these are the colors that I chose for the
Infinity Gauntlet.
Feel free to copy these or choose your own colors. Also, if I'm going too fast during the tutorial, please feel free to hit that pause button or hit rewind. I want you guys to be able to follow along as easily as possible. Okay, first step, here we go. We're going to draw the top of the gauntlet. So we're gonna start right here and we're gonna draw a curved line. So curve that out just like that to about there. And then we'll do a little bit of the inside, kind of like this part of your hand. I'm gonna just ever so slightly curve up like this, or straight up at an angle like that. Then we're going to come down, and this is more of the palm area, like this. And then we're gonna curve a line in. It's gonna come in like this and stop right there. Next, we're gonna draw one of the fingers on the glove. So we're gonna start right here. We're going to curve a line up like this, but then it's gonna get kind of curvier at the end here, like that. And then this finger has some armor plating, and we're gonna add some grooves in there on the top. So we're just gonna start right here, gonna pull a line out, stop right there. Then you're gonna pull another line out like that, stop right there. Then you're gonna pull another line out like this and curve in like that. Then we're just gonna put some lines on the finger here to indicate those armored plates. So one right here. Get it a little straighter, there we go. One right here. And then I'm gonna put like a little space in between here, just like that. Next, we're going to draw the middle finger of the glove. So we're gonna start it about right here. We're gonna draw a diagonal line up like that. Then it comes out of the other side. So we're gonna go up like this, and then we got that armor plating in like that. And then a little bit further out like that, and then it kind of curves in like that. Then we'll draw those ring finger and pinky fingers. So just a diagonal line up like this, and then a diagonal line down like that. Diagonal line up like this, and a diagonal line in like that. All right, next we're gonna draw the thumb. Now the thumb, we're gonna start with the end of it. So it kind of curves out like this. And then we're gonna do the bottom of the thumb like that. And then part of the underside of the thumb like that. And then we're gonna curve over, because there's some armor plating on the thumb too, like that. Then we'll do the top of the thumb. So we're gonna come up a little bit like this. We're gonna go out like this. And then we're going to curve in like this. And then we're gonna just close this off right here. That indicates the end of the armor plating. And just like we did on our finger here, we're gonna add some lines to indicate the armored plating. So we're gonna curve this out like this. And then another line out like this. And then same thing I did here, I'm gonna add a little space in between there. I don't know why, it just kind of looks cool, like that. Then we are going to add a little bit of the palm here, and then we're gonna draw the underside of the middle finger over there. So just curve a line like that to indicate that palm area. And then you're gonna come over here, and you're gonna go 1 and 2 like that. And then we've got the groove there for the armored plating. So I'm just gonna add a line to indicate that. And then same thing we did over here and here, just gonna add that space. Next, we're gonna draw the side of the glove. So we're gonna start right here. We're gonna pull a line down. We're gonna stop real quick here because we're gonna curve out. We're gonna indicate one of the jewels here. So curve out, up and over and down like that. Then we're gonna keep that line going down. Keep it going, and then curve in just a little bit there. Next, we're gonna draw those jewels. So we're gonna start over here underneath the ring finger. We're gonna draw some circles, or excuse me, some ovals. Just got one there. Two there, and then the other last one here. Nope, not the last one. There's still one on the thumb. Sorry. We'll do one over here like this. And then one on the thumb, which is kind of a circle. So we'll go out and around like that. Next, we're gonna add some detail to our gems here. So we're gonna start over here. We're gonna curve just kind of a thin curve, almost a straight line, like that. Then we're gonna come down like this, and then we're gonna curve around like that. Over here, we're going to draw a line down like that. We're going to curve a line out, around, up and in like that. Do kind of the same thing over here. Out and around, and up like that. Actually, a little bit further, there you go. And then on here, we're just gonna start down here this time. We're gonna curve out, around, and in like that. Last but not least, our thumb gem. Can't remember what this one is. Maybe it's the time gem? Can't remember what it is. Let me know in the comments. But we're just gonna draw another circle around it to indicate that little detail. Next, we're gonna draw the largest of the gems, the Mind Stone. So we're gonna come over here, kind of in between these two here, and we're gonna draw kind of an oval shape all the way around and in like so. It's not kind of an oval shape, it is an oval shape. And then we're gonna add that detail like we did over here to these gems here. So we're gonna go out, around, down. I'm gonna come pick up this line over here just because it's easier for me. All the way down and back into that line. All right, next we're gonna add some designs in our glove here. So we're gonna start over here. Gonna curve a line down like this and in a little bit like that. Then we're gonna curve back in like that. And then we're gonna curve out and down like so. Back up here like this. And then we're gonna kind of copy what we did over here, just a little bit longer. Out to about there. We're gonna come up, and then we're going to curve in like that. All right, next we're gonna continue our details on the gauntlet here. So we're gonna draw a line down to about here. Got a little fly friend in the room here.
Ew.
Then we'll jump over to this side and do the same thing. So we'll pull that line down out to about there and in like that. Maybe a little further. There we go. And then it's just kind of a straight line down to here, like that. And then this comes out because that represents that muscle that's in your forearm there, just like that. And we're gonna cap the whole thing off with a curved line. So start about here, draw that line down, keep that going all the way across. And back up into the other side of the glove. Then there's a metal band at the bottom of the gauntlet. So we're gonna draw that now. So you're gonna draw a line out like this, down like that. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Out like this, down like that. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did over here to the bottom of the gauntlet. We're gonna draw a curved line. So you just Draw that curved line. Try and keep the spacing even as you're going around here. Keep that line going all the way across. And tuck that in to the other side. Next, we're gonna add some details to our glove. So we're gonna start right here, and we're going to draw a line down. We're gonna curve it all the way in like that. Same thing on this side because it's a copy of this side. Curve that line all the way up and in like that. We're gonna do another one of these V shapes here. And pull this down like so. And back in like this. And then we'll hop down to the edge of the glove here, and I'm gonna add some shapes that are kind of like the glove in the Marvel comic book. So it's gonna start right here. I'm gonna draw that line up like this. It's kind of like a house with no roof. Curve that line across there. Then I'm gonna draw that down like that. Then I'm gonna repeat that shape just a little bit smaller. Go up, over, down like that. Then we're gonna make it look like this shape goes all the way around. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna draw an angled line up like this and then kind of curve it as it's going around there to give that appearance of a curve. And then we're gonna go right here. We're gonna draw a line up and curve around. So we're gonna match that line that we just drew. Next, we're gonna add some grooves in the metal band at the bottom of the gauntlet. So we're gonna start right here. Pull that out like this, because that's gonna give the appearance of an edge. And then we're gonna pull that line down like this, and down like this. I'm gonna do one over here too. Pull that line out just a little bit to give that appearance of the edge. Pull it down like that, and down like that. And I'm just gonna add a line right here because I think it kind of looks cool. It gives it some separation in the armored plating. Pull a line down like that to there. Then we'll jump up to the top of the glove here. I'm gonna add just some lines going across. So just some curved lines going all the way across here, indicating that maybe, you know, like inside the gauntlet, there's like the protective glove so you don't hurt yourself with the armored plating. So something like that. Then I'm gonna add some grooves in here. I'm just gonna go like this. Draw a line down and in like that. Down and in like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Down like that. And I'm gonna go up like that. And then again, like I did here on the bottom, I'm gonna give that indication of separation in the armored plating with a line like that. All right, and there's your line work for
The Infinity Gauntlet.
And now it's time for the gratuitous, cringeworthy, slightly annoying
Dad joke.
Okay. The other day, somebody stole my limbo stick. I mean, how low can you go? All right, now it's time to move on to our coloring step, and we're gonna do that in super speed, starting now. All right, and there you have it, your fully colored
Infinity Gauntlet.
Thanks everybody for drawing along with me. I hope you guys had tons of fun drawing
The Infinity Gauntlet.
and that you didn't snap your fingers because you might disappear. Hey, occasionally I run out of ideas, and that's where I'm depending on you guys to help me out. If you have an idea about what you would want me to teach you how to draw, leave that in the comments for me. And if you enjoyed the video, leave me a thumbs up. All right, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.